upset all the cattle.
All clear.
Good one. Oh, remote control planes, look.
Ah, that's Joe's pastime.
Is that blue lights coming up behind us?
No, it's those bloody ice blue headlights. Horrible, aren't they?
Yeah, it always look like you got blues coming up behind you.
So nice to have a view that you can see.
Yeah. The old buzzard up here, look.
There's loads, isn't there?
Two of them. Gorgeous.
Hanging around looking for roadkill, isn't they?
All the time is lunchtime. A bit like me, really.
Pampas grass. That used to be the sign of swingers in the day, didn't it? You had pampas grass in your front garden.
Yeah, we have one.
I've got one now.
Oh, look at this.
Yeah, beautiful.
Helter Skelter.
Everything you could ever want out of a road. Well, you've done it again, Nige. Well done.
Yeah, I know I'm a bit anal with looking at it and checking the roads, but I mean, it means
off.
you can find ones like this.
Yeah. So we seem to have a system going, don't we? I rough out a route with accommodation and then you tweak the route to make it better. And it works, doesn't it?
Oh, this is cracking.
Lovely.
There's a bloke photographing you on the corner.
Oh yeah. I'll wave to him.
Yeah, I did. He obviously knows that's a good spot for bikes.
For what they charge for the photos, it's a nice little learner as well, isn't it?
Have to try and remember what road this is.
B6047.
6047. We'll have a look later and Google it, and he'll. I didn't see a sign though saying what.
No, they normally have a sign up saying who it is,
what
don't
website it was. Yeah.
But like you say, if you Google it.
Look at this lot.
Yeah.
Oh look, legs out. That's an organised ride.
Isn't it? They're going to have trouble at roundabouts though.
I wonder if that's why he's there.
I don't know.
Because he knows they're out on a ride, organised ride or something.
Could be.
I mean, there was a few there, wasn't there?
I know they charge you a small fortune for them photos, but when else are you going to get that shot?
Exactly.
You know, it's worth it, isn't it?
This bike's going to feel so light when I get all this shit off of it.
Oh, crikey, yes. Feel like a different bike, won't it?
Yeah.
But
I've got to admit, though, even with the weight on those twisty section there, look, it was lovely.
Yeah, I have noticed. Very comfortable on it. It was good to get this tour out of the way because you have decided you're going to keep it and just tweak it to you.
Well, this is good. They're fucking off.
Yeah, it's very nice one.
Excellent. Back into a 50 again.
That'll do. Nice little central reservation.
Yeah, safety check.
Yeah. They're going the same way as us, so it must be a good road.
Yeah, always. Yeah, look at him crank that over, look.
Yeah. Playtime.
I mean, look at that, all out over there, look. Fucking lovely.
It's beautiful, isn't it?
And that's a good sign, because they clearly know the road and know that there's no cameras.
Yeah. Nice little bit of advice, wasn't it? Without saying a word.
Yeah.
Well, my shoulder is still giving me jip, but those tablets you gave me are keeping at, bearable rates.
I get them in boxes of 100.
Alright, yeah. I hope I won't need them all.
No, but at least you got them if you do. I mean, I don't mind leading, and I just said to her, you know, if I go wrong, tough.
Yeah.
Fucking put up with it.
But it's just nice for us to go ahead sometimes for your flybys and that. That did make me chuckle when we were up round the lakes and the peaks and the dales. You're on lovely twisty roads, and then you get a sign for twisty roads, and you think, oh, it's just going to get better.
Even fucking better. Oh, two-stroke.
Yep.
Oh, smell that.
It's beautiful, isn't it? You imagine if if you ever get really old and senile and you're in a home.
What do you mean if?
And and someone comes in with a fragrance candle of castor. That would bring back all the memories you ever need, wouldn't it?
Yeah. Morning, boys. Get that leg out.
Yeah.
So much easier to chuck your leg out when there's a few of them.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's good. Bryce, taking the donkey for a walk, look.
Steve, petrol.
Okay. If we was all on comms the other day when we got split up, we wouldn't have done.
Fucking petrol, for fuck's sake. I'm on 1 bar.
Yeah, he's on 2 bars.
2 bars?
Yeah.
Oh, bollocks, we should have gone down there.
Alright. Hang on here. Since Joe said I need fuel, we haven't gone past the fuel station yet, have we?
No.
So,
yeah, 14 miles for fuel.
14?
Yeah.
Yeah. Look at the size of his rod.
Ooh, you've got a big pole. I mean, there's got to be one on the route somewhere.
Oh, crikey, it's the main road, isn't it?
I mean, how the fuck can you have a road so long with no fucking fuel station?
Because when they built it, they only had horses. So I asked this one here, I don't know whether it's lady or...
The one that's stomping along?
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah, it just won't hurt to ask, will it?
Morning. Is there a fuel station nearby? There's a fuel station nearby down this one. That way. Just heading south. Yeah. Oh, head towards the M1. Go over the M1, and it's down that way.
You could put it in on Google Maps. It'll show you the nearest fuel.
Oh yeah.
All these cars here. There must be a fucking petrol station somewhere.
Is there?
Yeah.
Turn off here. We'll pull up on this nice tarmac for you. Oh, neutral. Oh, that's better. Doesn't matter how much you feather the clutch, if you're in neutral, you're not going anywhere. Just looking for one. It said there was going to be one about 2 miles away, then it changed.
I'm down to 1 bar now.
Yeah, that one she was on about is on the fucking motorway.
It's on the motorway.
Do you want me to Google map
Number
it?
3, Steady Eddies. Where are we?
That's why I always keep mine topped up.
Right, where are they?
I haven't.
Going that away.
It says 80 miles, but I'm on my last bar now.
Watford Bridge.
It says 84, but
Search.
well, I just don't like going that. We're here for a couple of minutes. It needs a bigger tank, this bike, you know.
How many miles has Joe got? Yeah, I got 86.
Yeah.
There's going to be something on the route.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're going to hit big towns in a minute. We're going to come the outskirts of Northampton in a minute. So I would say keep going. We're going to peel down the side of Northampton in a minute. We'll come cross carriages.
Okay.
And you've got 80 left, didn't you?
That's what it says on the range.
Yeah, but you'll have 80 plus your reserve level that the bike stores. Have faith.
I will, don't worry.
Have a bit of Honda faith. Recording.
Recording?
Recording.
Yes, it looks like it's on, Nige.
And we're all out.
Fucking huge, isn't they? Alright, leg 8 jobby. That's a big old groove, isn't it?
All them brummy lot.
Yeah.
We have water to our left.
There you go, Esso up there, McDonald's, Costa. See, have faith in the route.
You knew it all along, you was just winding them up, weren't you?
Woo! Fuck, am I glad to see that, eh? Petrol station.
Yeah, you went first left.
Yeah. You feel happier now, Joe?
Oh, I feel a lot happier now. Oh, fucking petrol, for fuck's sake.